Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cumulative update error in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the update error when you are trying to update cumulative update 24 etc or 25 etc, so you might get these type errors. So let's see how can you fix that. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet. And once you have done, just click on this window button and here is simply search for settings. And once you are in settings, you have to go ahead to Windows Update. And here you can try to pause your update. So once you have paused your update, it will complete pause your updates. And after pausing, so let's say I'm gonna pause there. And once your update has been paused, you have to click on this resume updates. It will recheck for updates or if there will be any pending update available. So your PC will be got updated. So once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, you have to go to this PC section and here you have to make sure that you have almost 20 GB free in your C disk. So it might be necessary to download and install Windows Update. So once you have done, you have to go back. You can also try to update your disk drivers. So just press Window button and here just search for Device Manager. Now in your Device Manager, you have to look for disk drivers. Search the disk driver, expand it, and then update both these drivers. So once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. Or if you're still not fixed your issue, so you have to click on this window button again and just search for CMD and then right click on it, run as administrator, then click on yes. Now here you have to run a command which is sfc scan now. So here you have to simply write sfc then space then slash and then scan now. So once you've entered, just press enter from your keyboard. So it will start a scan all over your PC. So once the PC has been scanned, if there will be any junk files in your PC or any cracked file, it might be fixed. So once you have done, after doing that, you have to restart your PC, and after restarting, you can easily update your PC to the latest Windows version. So in this way, you can easily fix your cumulative updates in Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.